Hi everybody, Valentin is back, and this video will be talking about restaurant brand messaging and why making it wrong leads to no successful business. The goal of this video is helping business owners to find out why restaurant brand messaging is so important for your business and how it can help your brand to generate more sales and increase awareness. And let's start with why wrong brand messaging means no successful business. For some reasons, most business owners care about their product more than they do about brand messaging and brand in general, mistakenly thinking that making an exceptional product is the top priority, ignoring attention to the vibe and atmosphere around the brand. And that leads to miscommunication between your brand and your audience. So let me tell you this. For example, you have a competitor literally next door or across the street serving same exceptional product. Then my question is, what makes you different from the other place, and why should I go or anybody else should go to your place and not to the other? What would be the difference if both of you serving just an exceptional food and nothing else? Well, you see that in customers' mind, if both places simply serving exceptional product and nothing else, both of you are going to be an average. So being an average means that it doesn't really matter where to go. Whether I'm going to you or the other place makes no difference. And that's bad because you are not retaining customers this way. So first thing that comes to my mind is that you don't have to be average. And what I mean by that is that you have to be unique, be original, be noticeably different from your competitors. Create an atmosphere around your brand. So people go back to you not just for the exceptional food that you make, but for a combination of things. Because brand messaging is literally about everything together. It's a mix between a good product and the atmosphere around this product. See, because people, they love feelings, and the reason why I would go to your place or any other place is to get that feeling again. So why developing a restaurant brand messaging is really important is for that specific reason. Good brand messaging generates association with something good in people's mind, and people remember those feelings. They want to come back to you just to feel it again, to have your food or drink or whatever you're serving along with the atmosphere, the vibe, to feel it once again. This is what really brand messaging is about. So to make a clear and good brand messaging, you have to understand the basics and the foundation of a proper brand messaging, which basically consists of a couple things. You have to define and target the ideal customer and develop a clear brand messaging. You literally have to speak to your audience their language and offer everything possible to comfort them with tons of features that will stay in their mind. Surround them with the vibe, with atmosphere. So, for example, if you own an Italian restaurant or a Mexican restaurant or any other restaurant, you have to make sure that your brand consists of something that connects your audience with whatever you're serving. So it shouldn't be just about the food. It should be about the combination of multiple factors. You have to make something so special that it will make you way different than your competitors. That the reason for the customer to come back to you would be that exact feeling. Then that way you are retaining customer, which is super important. Combination of those things lead to a success, and the successful path for the restaurant brand messaging is pretty clear. You have to make your customers fans of your brand. If they are fans, they would love to come back to you again and again, day by day, and that's the only way to succeed. So if you are different, if you not just serving an exceptional food, but also offering tons of features, lots of things, the vibe, the comfort, then you will definitely succeed. And then your brand will stay noticeable all the time. People are going to fall in love with it because this is what they're looking for. Your customers, they wish to come back to feel that again. And once again, if you're serving an exceptional product, exceptional food, along with the atmosphere, with functionality, with everything that people love, then you are definitely going to retain your customers. And that's the only way to succeed. Retain as many customers as possible and care about your audience, care about people's comfort. Make sure that they feel really good and they want to come back to you. And if you follow those steps, then you will definitely succeed. We've been doing brand messaging for our clients pretty successfully, and if you would need any help with that, our team will be more than happy to help. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button, subscribe to our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Bye.